When repeat clients are the heart of your business, you know quality and service are your core strengths. We've upheld that tradition since our beginning in 2000. Now we're expanding to include custom fabricated brake metal and laminated glass using the most state-of-the-art equipment available. Our new shear and brake can handle pieces up to 12 feet long and are much more capable than traditional equipment. Complex shapes and detail work can be produced in a fraction of the time. Combined with our existing ability to punch holes and cut notches, we have the most complete and flexible custom fab system in the region. Bringing glass lamination in-house means we apply our rigorous standards to guarantee your laminated glass product meets certifications and structural integrity requirements every time. The new production line offers consistency and maximum performance from every piece created. We offer multiple layers and thicknesses and sizes up to 130 by 78 inches. We've invested in the best technology to continue to bring you the most rapid response and quickest lead times, because when your customer is satisfied, so is ours.